This video will review how to start and stop ventilation therapy on the Astral 150 device. Prior to starting the therapy, ensure correct circuit setup and correct ventilation settings. You can set up to 4 different programs on the Astral device. All programs will be listed on the home screen in standby mode. The current program will be highlighted in orange. To switch to another program, select the desired program. A summary of the program will pop up. Check the settings, press confirm to change to the desired program. Once settings have been confirmed, check the circuit setting by selecting Circuit menu on the left-hand side of the screen. It is above the Settings sub-menu. The current program's circuit type, Learn Circuit, and interface will be shown. Review to ensure all settings are correct. Once all settings have been confirmed, please apply the mask interface onto your child. Press the Start Ventilation button to initiate therapy. Add in oxygen therapy if required and as directed by your care team, and connect oxygen therapy to the back of the device as shown previously. While your child is connected to the ventilator and receiving the therapy, you can view live detailed ventilation information through the monitor menu. Check the leak value to ensure it is appropriate as directed by your care team. Ensure the pressure bar is moving based on set pressures. To stop the therapy, you will need to first turn off oxygen therapy if required. Then press and hold the Stop Vent button at the bottom of the screen. Let go when prompted and press Confirm to stop.